In this video, I'll guide you through how to install the Google Calendar app on Windows. We'll turn the web version of Google Calendar into a standalone app that you can open directly from your desktop or start menu, just like any other program. This is really handy if you use Google Calendar a lot and want quick access without digging through browser tabs. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your preferred web browser on your Windows computer. This process works best in modern browsers like Chrome or the new Microsoft Edge, so if you're using one of those, you're in good shape. In the address bar at the top, type calendar.google.com, then press enter. If you're not already signed in, log into your Google account so that your calendar loads fully on the screen. Once your Google Calendar page is open and you can see your events, take a moment to make sure the page has finished loading. It's easier to install the app when everything is visible and ready. Now look toward the very top right corner of your browser window. You're looking for the three vertical dots, sometimes called More, Menu, or Settings and More, depending on the browser you're using. Go ahead and click on those three dots. When you click the three dots, a drop-down menu will appear. In that list, you'll see several sections and options. You want to find the section related to tools for sending, saving, or sharing content. In some versions of the browser, this is grouped under a label that includes options like Cast, Save, and Share. Move your mouse down to that area in the menu so those related options are visible. Don't worry if it looks slightly different in your browser. The wording might vary a little, but you should still see something related to saving or installing the page. Within that same group of options, look for the choice that lets you install the current page as an app. It may be worded as Install Pages App or Install this site as an app. Click that option. What this does is create a sort of wrapper around the Google Calendar website so it behaves like a native application on your computer instead of just another browser tab. After you click to install the page as an app, a small window or pop-up will appear, asking you to confirm. You'll usually see the name of the app, which should be something like Google Calendar, and a button labeled Install. At this point, you can usually also choose whether you'd like the app to be pinned to your taskbar or start menu automatically depending on your browser's options. Now, click the Install button. The browser will take a few moments to set things up, and then your new Google Calendar app should open in its own dedicated window. You'll notice it looks just like the website, but it runs separately from your main browser, which helps keep things organized. Once it's installed, you can find the Google Calendar app in your Start menu, and if you chose to pin it, you'll see it on your taskbar as well. From now on, you can open Google Calendar directly from there without having to type in the web address every time. That's all you need to install the Google Calendar app on Windows.